In this video, I will help you find the best headphones call center in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have JabberBizz 2402, Noise and Echo Reduction. When it comes to reducing noise and echo in call center environments, the JabberBizz 2402 stands out as a top choice for enhancing communication clarity. This headset is a game changer, providing crystal clear sound that makes every conversation sharp and focused. Its noise-canceling technology ensures that distractions melt away, allowing me to concentrate fully on each call. The comfortable ear cushions make wearing it for long hours a breeze, and the lightweight design adds to the overall comfort. With the JabberBizz 2402, I feel like I'm in my own little bubble of clear communication, free from the surrounding noise and disruptions. The headset's advanced audio technology ensures that every word is heard with precision, making interactions with customers smooth and efficient. In a busy call center environment, where every second counts, having a reliable headset like the JabberBizz 2402 makes all the difference in providing top-notch service. At number 4, we have CC550IP by Sennheiser, call centers that rely on desk phones, also best monaural by far. In the realm of call centers that rely on desk phones, the CC550IP by Sennheiser stands out as the best monaural choice by far. Its exceptional design and functionality cater perfectly to the needs of call center agents. The CC550IP offers unparalleled comfort for extended wear, with soft ear cushions that reduce strain during long shifts. The noise-canceling technology ensures crystal-clear audio, minimizing distractions from the surrounding environment and allowing agents to focus on their conversations. Additionally, the lightweight build of the headset makes it easy to wear for hours without discomfort. Sennheiser's CC550IP isn't only a reliable tool for call center operations, but also a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. With this headset, agents can expect improved efficiency, heightened productivity, and ultimately, more satisfied customers due to quicker responses and clearer communication. When it comes to monaural headsets for desk phone-reliant call centers, the CC550IP by Sennheiser undoubtedly leads the pack. At number 3, we have Voyager Focus UC by Plantronics, busy call centers. Step into the bustling world of busy call centers with the Voyager Focus UC by Plantronics, a headset designed to revolutionize communication efficiency and agent performance. This headset boasts active noise-canceling technology, ensuring crystal-clear conversations even in the midst of a chaotic call center environment. The comfortable ear cushions and lightweight design allow for extended wear without discomfort, ideal for those long hours of client interactions. With the latest audio technology integrated, every word is delivered with precision, enhancing both agent focus and customer satisfaction. The Voyager Focus UC offers a premium experience, combining durability, functionality, and style to meet the demands of a fast-paced call center. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to heightened productivity with this top-notch headset from Plantronics. It's time to equip your team with the tools they need to excel in the dynamic world of call center communication. At number 2, we have JabberBizz Pro 9450, the comfort of your agents. Maximize the comfort and efficiency of your call center agents with JabberBizz Pro 9450 headset, a game changer in enhancing the user experience. The Pro 9450 is designed with the comfort of your agents in mind, featuring plush ear cushions that provide a soft, gentle touch even during long hours of wear. The lightweight materials ensure that your team can focus on their tasks without being weighed down by bulky equipment. With the Pro 9450, your agents can enjoy crystal-clear sound quality, allowing for seamless communication with customers. The headset's advanced technology minimizes outside noise, creating a distraction-free environment for your team to excel in their roles. Imagine your agents being able to concentrate fully on customer interactions, leading to quicker responses and more satisfied clients. Investing in the JabberBizz Pro 9450 isn't just about providing a headset, it's about investing in the well-being and productivity of your call center agents. Make the smart choice for comfort, efficiency, and performance with the JabberBizz Pro 9450. At number 1, we have SC660 by Sennheiser, long-term warranty. With its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Sennheiser's SC660 headset stands out for its long-term warranty and durability. This headset is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in a call center environment, ensuring that it remains reliable over time. The long-term warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that Sennheiser stands behind their product for an extended period. This feature is especially valuable in a call center setting where headsets are used continuously throughout the day. Additionally, the durability of the SC660 headset means that it can withstand the demands of a busy call center, where agents may be taking calls back-to-back for hours on end. The sturdy construction and quality materials ensure that this headset is built to last, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving on costs in the long run. Overall, the SC660 by Sennheiser offers a combination of reliability, longevity, and performance that makes it an excellent choice for call center professionals.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.